Okay, so this says identify each number between 5 times 10 to the negative 2 and 0.4. First thing you've got to do when you do anything like this is you've got to change all the numbers to percent if they're not already in percent form. So we're going to take 5 times 10 and we're going to put that to the negative 2 power, and then we're going to multiply by 100, and that gives us 5%. So this is 5% right here. Okay, and then we've got a 0.4. So let's come back over here and convert that to a percentage. We've got 0.4. We're going to multiply that by 100, and we get 40%. So this over here is 40%. And we're going to have to ask ourselves which of these down below fit between the 5% and the 40%. Well, 38% is already written in percent form, and 62% is already written in percent form. So let's go ahead and convert the other two. Let's take 2.4 times 10 raised to the 4th power, and multiply that by 100, and we get a huge number. We get 2,400,000%. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 1/3, 1 divided by 3. And we're going to move our cursor over, times 100, and that gives us 33.3 repeating percent. And we have to ask ourselves, which of these is between the 5% and the 40%? Well, 38% is between the 5 and the 40. The 2 million is certainly not. The 62% is too big, but the 33.3% is also between those two numbers. So this question actually had 2 answers. Usually when a question says identify each number between, that means there's going to be more than one, because otherwise they would say identify the number between. So be careful and make sure you don't stop just because you saw that 38%. Okay, you got to check everything every time to make sure you get these right. Alrighty?